Hello Garage Squad. It's a cold morning in Owasso, Oklahoma right now. My name is Blake Sherwin, and I want to show you my 1968 Cadillac Miller-Meteor Hearse ambulance combination. This is a car that I bought last year in December. It's almost been a year now, with the intention of restoring it to its original glory. I'm not really a mechanic. I've been learning things as I go. I've learned how to change an alternator, and we're working on doing my brakes right now. It's a long road. It runs okay. It needs a lot of work though, and I thought I'd send a video into you guys to let you see this car. And it's a very unique vehicle. It would be a very interesting vehicle to feature on your show, I believe. So I want to take you on a quick tour of this car. I've got it running right now. So here's the interior. The interior is in pretty good shape. There's a couple minor problems, like this armrest over here that is missing, but I do have the piece. It's just kind of broken. Some of my tools I'm working with right now, and my disheveled tools. All in all, it's pretty good shape. Here is the rear of the vehicle. We have it's a combination, so we have reversible floor panels. You could reverse them. Right now you see the rollers right there. You can reverse them to have flat without rollers, so if you're going to switch to ambulance mode, you can flip them over. I do have a ambulance light. It might not be very visible in the daytime, but I'm going to turn it on here. We got our beacon ray ambulance light, which is period correct. Take you on a tour of the rest of the car here. I'm warming it up right now. It's been about 2 weeks since we started the thing. It's a beautiful, beautiful front end. The 1968s were my favorite front end of any Cadillac. As you can see right now, I have no brakes. I have no master cylinder, no booster, because those have been sent in to be rebuilt. I have a little piece of cardboard over my vacuum hose, so my car will actually run. Covered with snow is a sad sight. And here is the rear of this beast. But that is my 1968 Cadillac Miller-Meteor combination hearse. Back in those days, they were used as both hearses and ambulances, because smaller communities might not have had an emergency service, but they had a funeral home, and a funeral home would double as ambulance service. Interesting bit of history, trying to preserve that history. I'm not trying to do anything wild. I'm not trying to add flames or anything like that. I just want to restore this to its original glory to preserve history. Hope you guys like this. If you're interested in featuring this in your show, I could really use some help. I'm a novice mechanic. I'm learning as I go, but I obviously need a lot of help. I hope you enjoyed that video of my 1968 Cadillac Miller-Meteor combination hearse. I know it's a mouthful. I have a 5-year-old son who loves to ride with me in the hearse. It's so fun to see the reactions of people when they see a children's car seat in a hearse when we're driving around. And he absolutely loves it. He loves playing in the back. He just thinks it's amazing. He's a little disappointed that he hasn't been able to ride in it in about a month or two now, since our booster went out while driving one day. And we went home. I told him we can't ride in it until I get it fixed. I said, no, not safe. So it's been a long time for me trying to find a replacement and finally breaking down and sending it in to be rebuilt. So he's going to be very happy once this is finally working and drivable again. I also have a wife. She has not ridden in it, actually. One of these days I'm gonna have her drive in it. But my son loves it. It's his favorite thing. Well, not his favorite thing to do, but he's been asking me lately, Daddy, when can we drive in the hearse again? Like, well, whenever it's fixed. Unfortunately, they're not here right now while I'm recording this video. He's at daycare. So unfortunately, I can't feature them on this video. but it's a family thing. We have all taken part at some point in cleaning or working on. When we first got it, we all went out there as a family, cleaned the windows, cleaned the interior. It's a lot of fun work on a car as a family. But I hope you found this video interesting, and if you are interested, just let us know. We'd be glad to let you guys take a look at it. Thanks.